So one method that I think is helpful when practicing chords on a guitar, especially when you're first trying to learn chords, is to try and use a metronome. And a metronome is just this, it can be an app or actually a physical device that just keeps a steady click for you. And so this is my metronome on my iPhone. You can kind of hear that clicking sound. And it can get annoying after a while, but it's actually very, very helpful. And so it kind of helps you sort of stay on beat as you go. So how can you use the metronome to help you with guitar chords? Well, you take kind of a set of chords. Let's say we're going from C major to D major, no, C major to A minor to G back to C or something like that. Try taking the chords, whatever song you have, and try maybe strumming each chord and letting it ring out for 4 beats, and then immediately start on the next chord after those 4 beats are done. So I'll turn this up a little bit, show you what I mean. Two, three, four. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So obviously you don't have to count with it necessarily, but counting can help to kind of keep you on track. But really it's just a matter of strumming the chord and then making sure you get to the next chord in time. Don't worry too much about letting the chord ring out, because what you're trying to do is just get yourself used to getting to the next chord in time. And so if you want to do something like this, quickly try and find the next one, and then quickly try and find the next one, try and find the next one, something like that. So if you, that's fine, because just being able to come in time is really important. Just being able to start the next chord in time is really important. So that would be kind of a first step in trying to play fluidly with chords.